Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily connect GoHighLevel on Shopify. So just head over to your admin page on Shopify and of course, make sure that you're logged into your account. Next is head over to settings that can be found at the bottom left corner of your screen. Then in the left panel, just look for apps and sales channels. So from here, we're just going to head over to develop apps. Just click on allow custom app development. And once again, click on allow custom app development. So from here, we're just going to create an app. So we're just going to name it Go High Level, but you can also name it with whatever name you want. And the app developer, of course, us. Then just click on create app. So to proceed, we're going to need to configure certain admin API scopes. So in the filter access scopes, we can add, read, orders. So in the order section, we're just going to check this. And next is read customers, of course. And in the customers section, just check this. And also products. In the products section, just check read products. Then click on Save. You can add more if you want, but these are our selected admin API access scopes. Then just click on Overview. Then click on Install App. Just click on Install. So as you can see here, we have here our admin API access token that we're going to need to connect GoHighLevel to our Shopify store. So just click on reveal token once, then click on copy to clipboard icon. Then just head over and log into your GoHighLevel account. Then in the left panel, just look for integrations. And from there, just look for Shopify, then click on connect. A window will then pop up and all you have to do is paste the admin API access token that we copied earlier by pressing Ctrl plus V. So next is enter the name of your Shopify store, and to find that, just head over to your admin page, then click on settings. Then from there, you should be able to see the URL or name of your Shopify store. Just copy the characters before .myshopify.com. Then paste it as name of your Shopify store, then click on connect. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!